Tartaros is a game taking place in the underworld of an ancient Greece, so you would guess that the world is mostly dead. And yet I had an idea to add something that would add more life to the level design and would also enrich players' experience. So I've decided to add some kind of creatures. Since half of the game is quite dark, I figured that the creatures should be bats, as they would fit well with a lot of levels, especially the first, cavey ones. I use them not only to improve the vistas, give player insight that there is indeed some kind of life in the underworld, but also to fix his attention to important objects, which upon testing seem to improve the player's experience. In one of my favorite games, Half-Life 2, if you would leave your buggy alone for a few minutes, a pigeon would appear and would spawn shit decals all over your buggy. And that is exactly what inspired me. Even though the AI I came up with was quite different, it doesn't poop all over your belongings. Or as far as I know. It consists of two states. One is sleeping state when it waits till the timer runs out, if it is set as such, or to be disturbed by player, in which case it will switch its state to roaming, where it raycasts to the random point in a small radius and checks if it can move there. If not, it will repeat until it finds a fitting destination. Then it will move. When the bat gets tired of flying around randomly, or when the roaming timer runs out, it will seek the random point on the ceiling so it can then go there and stop. If you want to check the game yourself for free, the demo is free on Steam, it is currently in the alpha state, and I'm planning to release these bets in the new update. If you would like to support us in our passion, you can wishlist our game on Steam, like and subscribe, and I thank you for watching the video till the end. I wish you an awesome day.